Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Bluetooth headphones, wireless sports earphones with Bluetooth 4.2. It is a headset with clear voice capture technology. Echo cancellation, mic for running, gym, compatible with iPhone, Android, iPad, etc. It is an industry-leading Bluetooth technology 4.1 advanced Bluetooth CSR 8635 chipset provides a faster transmission and low latency. Wireless range up to 10 meters, these are 33 feet. Enjoy skip-free phone call and music. Compatible with iPhone, iPad, Samsung Galaxy Series, Sony Xpeira, Google Nexus, Android phones, tablet, and so many more. It is lightweight and sweatproof. The unique design eliminates troublesome wires tangling or flapping around while running, jogging, cycling, or working out. And the ergonomic design for the earbuds provides a snug fit, never falling out of your ears even when rushing or jumping. Totally sweatproof and designed for superior comfort. Superior hi-fi stereo. It is a hi-fi stereo quality, delivers a crystal clear stereo sound. Works great for soundtracks, audiobooks, and relaxing sounds. Just stay away from the noise and wires and enjoy the purest music. It has a long battery life. The new and improved lithium polymer battery allows continuously enjoying the music for up to 12 play times, 13.5 talk times, with a quick charge for only 2.5 hours. Perfect for moving, exercising, jogging, workout, and so many other different things you are going to do. Enjoy the music on the go all the day. You can see you have a Marathon headphones, of course the second generation, 2 earpads, USB charging cable, travel case, and of course a user manual. Oh, this is nice. You can buy it in black or red or white version, and it has a nice high quality feeling, I think. It is waterproof, it has a CSR chip, it is foldable, and it is comfortable. That means it is a Marathon headphone with earpads, etc. It is built to endure the active life. The link-width headphones are well constructed and touch-fully designed. The features a built-in mic that allows you to answer calls, as well as on-board buttons that directly control your music. Thanks to the new and improved lithium polymer battery, the headphones also charge quickly and delivers hours of music. Whether you like to lift, run, or dance, this Marathon headphones provide the convenience and motivation you need to meet your fitness goals. Sweatproof. It is perfect for sports because it's sweatproof. The headphones are durable, sweatproof, and splash-proof, so you can rest assured that you're really on them for your sports training. Don't go swimming with them or diving. It has an advanced compatibility. Bluetooth version 4.2 headsets can easily and quickly compatible with smartphones, tablets, TVs, and all other Bluetooth-enabled music devices within 33 feet range. It has a true to live sound. It delivers you perfect audio listening, feast with crisps. Skip-free stereo sounds. Discover sound quality that brings out the best in your music, including subtle details you may never have noticed. It has a hands-free calling The buttons on the right earmuff provide quick and intuitive control, which can control the power switch, the volume, control music, activate Siri, or connect hands-free calls. It's convenient, fast and simple, so you do not need to approach your equipment. It has an incredible battery life, 30.5 hours on the phone, 11 hours music, and 120 hours standby time. This is enough. And it's lightweight and compact. The weight is only 36.8 grams. You don't even feel the presence of pressure on your ears. It's small and handy to hold. Foldable and automatic shrink cable designed for anti-tangling. It is equipped with a durable box for easy storage. And I like it really much. It matches to your ears easily. You can use the power button at the phone and power button in the center of your right speaker, and you can skip the music if you like, forward, backward, and you can switch the volume up, volume down, etc. It is easy. Yeah, really easy. It has the wireless function, CD quality. You can connect to devices at the same time. Fast connection and great compatibility. Everything is on board. And in the box you have the wire to connect the headphones with your power supply. The power supply, you can use your smartphone AC adapter, for example. Easy going. And if you like to connect it, hold the power button for 4 until 5 seconds till the red light and the blue light is flashing, and then open at your device the Bluetooth and the search indication menu, and then search Marathon2, and then it is connected. And then you can hear these awesome sounds in this headset. Yeah, easy, easy, easy. Here you can see, now we get the power inside. And after this, we can listen to the music. So, thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback. And see you next time again. Soon. Nicey dicey. Ho 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 ho.